Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, dive-into-llms, a comprehensive tutorial series for mastering large language models. It's exploding in popularity, gaining nearly 1,000 stars today, by offering practical, hands-on programming exercises that demystify the complex world of LLMs. So, you've heard all about large language models, but how do you go from just hearing about them to actually building with them? The path forward can feel messy, full of complex research papers and expensive courses. But what if there was another way? An open source project, born from a university classroom, is offering a clear roadmap that's systematic, hands-on, and completely free. The project is called dive-into-llms, created by GitHub user Lordog. It's an open source series of programming tutorials built to solve the lack of systematic, hands-on learning resources for LLM beginners. It actually started as course material at Shanghai Jiao Tong University, and its popularity proves just how much people need this. The repository has already shot past 31,500 stars, with an incredible gain of over 940 in just the last day alone. That signals some intense and immediate interest from developers all over the world. The core problem this project tackles is the high barrier to entry into the world of LLMs. For anyone trying to get started, the landscape is often a confusing mess of dense academic papers, abstract theories, and closed-off, proprietary tools. In the past, learning meant trying to piece together random tutorials or signing up for expensive, specialized programs. This created a huge knowledge gap. Dive-into-llms offers a different approach. It's grounded in a learn-by-doing philosophy that's backed by real academic rigor. It takes university-level lectures and translates them into accessible code you can actually run. This effectively democratizes advanced AI knowledge that used to be locked away in well-funded research labs or exclusive graduate courses. It provides a clear, structured path through all the noise. From an architectural standpoint, this isn't a single application. It's more like a modular library of knowledge, a digital textbook where each chapter is its own self-contained unit. Every module pairs theoretical concepts, delivered as PDF lecture notes, with practical code inside Jupyter Notebooks. The project's technical core is this code-driven teaching method. For example, it shows you how to do parameter-efficient fine-tuning, which is a key technique for customizing models on regular consumer hardware. It also provides a deep dive into reinforcement learning from human feedback, or RLHF. It uses algorithms like proximal policy optimization to help align a model's behavior with human values, which is absolutely critical for building safer AI. But what really makes it stand out is its dual focus on AI security. The curriculum doesn't just cover defensive measures like model watermarking and steganography. It also teaches offensive techniques like systematic jailbreak attacks. This offense-informs-defense approach, exploring the entire LLM technology stack, is the project's defining design philosophy. So, in the real world, how is this being used? It's acting as a powerful educational and vocational toolkit. Students and academic researchers are using it to quickly get up to speed on core LLM concepts and apply them in their work. AI and machine learning engineers see it as a practical guide for moving into the LLM space, learning critical skills from fine-tuning to safety alignment. There's even a very specific use case for developers in the Huawei Ascend ecosystem. They can use a dedicated curriculum for end-to-end model development on that specific hardware. And finally, AI security professionals are studying the modules on jailbreaking and agent safety to research model vulnerabilities and design stronger defenses. But of course, the project isn't without its challenges. The world of large language models moves incredibly fast. This means code examples and best practices can become outdated quickly, requiring constant maintenance to stay relevant. Also, while the tutorials themselves are free, the project doesn't explicitly state the hardware you'll need to actually run or fine-tune these models. This can create a hidden barrier for learners who don't have access to powerful GPUs. And finally, the project's immense breadth, while a strength, might also mean some topics are covered with less depth than a specialist would need. Dive into LMs is far more than just a set of tutorials. It's a structured, open-source curriculum that builds a bridge between academic theory and practical, hands-on engineering. And it matters because it dramatically lowers the barrier for anyone to not just use large language models, but to truly understand, critique, and build with them.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.